Hi, in the last video, we looked at self-corrective RAG, where the system could reflect, evaluate, and fix its own mistakes. Now imagine taking that one step further. What if your RAG system could plan, choose tools, and adapt on fly based on results? That's exactly what Agentic RAG does. Let's dive into how it transforms RAG into a true reasoning system. Traditional RAG follow a straight line: query, then it retrieve, and then generate. While agentic RAG break that pattern, here the LLM become orchestrator. It doesn't just follow instruction, it decides what to do next. This approach turns the RAG system into an intelligent agent, capable of planning multi-step tasks, using tool, and reflecting its own outcomes. Now, how Agentic RAG works? Let's break it down. First is planning. The agent receives a complex user query and create a step-by-step plan. For example, to answer this, I will first fetch data, then compare result, then summarize. Second step is tool use. The agent has access to different tools like RAG Retriever, a web search API, and a database, or even other mini agents. It decides which tool to use at each step. Third is observation and reflection. After using a tool, it observes the result, updates its plan, and decides the next best move until the task is done. So instead of one fixed path, it is an ongoing reason, act, observe loop, similar to how we humans solve problems. Next is what are different agent types in Agentic RAG. There are few special roles inside Agentic RAG setup. Routing agent. It decides which tool or knowledge base to use. Second is query planning agent. It breaks complex question into smaller logical subtasks. Last one is react agent. It follow a reason act cycle. They think, act, observe the output, and adjust their plan. By combining these, you can build a system that doesn't just retrieve answers but also figures out how to find them. Now, when to use Agentic RAG? Agentic RAG is powerful, but it's not for every case. You would use it when your system needs to handle complex multi-step reasoning like comparing company reports, performing actions, not just answers, like searching the web or running queries. Or we can use it when we want to adapt in dynamic environments where the right path isn't just known in advance. It is the most advanced RAG setup, slower and more expensive, but incredibly capable. So that's Agentic RAG, the final stage of our RAG evolution, from simple retrieval to full reasoning agent. This journey shows how RAG systems are becoming more intelligent, flexible, and human-like in problem solving. And that's wrap on our advanced RAG series. We have gone from naive RAG all the way to agentic RAG, covering every stage in between.